intellectual disability involves deficits in intellectual functioning with an IQ typically below 70 and limitations in adaptive behavior across conceptual, social, and practical skills. This onset occurs during the developmental period before age 18. Historically, views shifted from superstition and neglect to the institutional era of asylums. Today, we have moved into a rights-based era of inclusive education, emphasizing dignity, independence, and participation for all. ID is classified by levels. Mild ID involves an IQ range of 50 to 69, where learners can gain basic academics. Moderate ID, with an IQ of 35 to 49, requires support in both academics and daily living. Severe ID involves an IQ of 20 to 34 and requires continuous support. Profound ID, with an IQ below 20, means the individual is dependent on caregivers for all aspects of daily life. Causes range from genetic factors like Down syndrome and Fragile X to prenatal causes like maternal infections. Perinatal causes include birth asphyxia, while postnatal causes can involve brain injury or environmental deprivation. Cognitive traits often include a slower learning rate, difficulty with abstract thinking, and poor memory retention. Socially, individuals may face limited social skills or difficulty understanding norms. Educational interventions focus on individualized education plans with measurable goals and a functional curriculum that teaches essential daily life skills through task analysis and multisensory teaching. Behavioral interventions utilize applied behavior analysis principles, emphasizing positive reinforcement. Therapeutic interventions include speech, occupational, and physical therapy to support communication and motor skills. Instructional strategies include breaking tasks into small steps, using concrete examples, and maintaining structured routines with visual schedules and cue cards. Inclusive practices like peer tutoring are also encouraged. Effective support involves collaboration between special educators, therapists, and school counselors. Regular professional development and maintaining an empathetic classroom culture are essential. Parents are active partners who reinforce learning and independence at home. Home strategies include maintaining routines and providing emotional encouragement during self-care tasks. Practical activities include sorting objects, role-playing social situations, and matching money to objects. Functional reading of signs and labels also builds vital independence. Watch me first. Look, try, sort. Now it's your turn. Now let's try together. Great job with your effort and growth today. By following these principles and assessment methods, we foster an environment where every individual can thrive. Together, we build a bridge to a more inclusive and supportive future.